Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress.com to create a website. First, navigate to WordPress.com and sign up for an account. You'll then choose a plan, starting with a free option or upgrading for more features. Next, select a domain name that represents your brand. Finally, pick a theme from the extensive library to give your site its initial look and feel. Once your basic site is set up, it's time to make it truly yours. Head to the customizer to change colors, fonts, and overall layout. Create important pages such as an About page and a Contact page. Don't forget to upload your own logo and high-quality images to reflect your unique style and brand identity. Now, let's fill your website with engaging content. You can create new posts for blog articles, news, or updates, which appear chronologically. For static information, like services or portfolios, design dedicated pages. Remember to use categories and tags to keep your content well organized, making it simple for visitors to find what they need. With your content in place, it's almost time to launch. Take a moment to review everything, ensuring all links work and content is accurate. Once you're satisfied, publish your site to make it live. Share your new website across social media to attract visitors. Explore the built-in tools to help improve your search engine optimization and reach a wider audience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.